Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2010 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. This system comes with a 9-inch screen. It's very nice. It's touchscreen as well. This one also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also comes with the offline navigation as well. Let's start from the navigation first. When you click on the navigation, you will bring up the offline navigation map here. How to use the navigation, just click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address, and then you can enter the address right here. This system also supports the Harman-Kardan sound system. Okay, if your car comes with the Harman-Kardan, when you place the order from our website, remember to select Harman-Kardan. We will provide you with the Harman-Kardan module as well. Okay, so basically you just need to enter the address over there. It's very nice. Alright, this is offline navigation. Of course, you also come with multiple navigation. For example, you can use the Google Map. The Google Map is the newest version of the Google Map. You can download the map to the unit, so you don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot to use the Google Map. And of course, you come with the Bluetooth. You come with the Bluetooth music. You also come with the Apple CarPlay. Radio is right here. Alright, and okay, and other than that, you come with a customized interface right here. Right, so you can also change the interface and the color of the interface as well. For example, you can go here, interface, okay, and then you can also change the color right here, customize. All right, it's fully customized. Okay, how to connect to the Wi-Fi? Basically, just need to pull down the menu from the top, and then you can hold the Wi-Fi icon right here. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can use most of the application right here. For example, you can use the Google Map, you can use the internet browser right here. You can also use the Tubi, or you can also watch the Netflix and also the Prime Video as well. Okay. Provide you a lot of media content. All right, so other than that, you can also install your own application from the Google App Store. Okay, the Google App Store is right here. Of course, you also support the YouTube as well. Okay, oh, you probably need to update the Google, the YouTube map. Okay, so basically this one also supports the media playback. You can just copy the movie to the USB, and then you can also play that on the system as well.
Bulletproof. Superhuman.
Who the hell are you?
Bad guy. We're gonna need the best trackers in the business.
Okay, and another thing is you can also go to the radio right here, and this one also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay. I'm gonna show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay. All right, so it's very straightforward. Okay, so audio settings right here. You also come with the equalizer right here. You can also adjust the sound quality, you know, and the subwoofer, fader, everything is right here. And okay, this pretty much that's it. And I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay. The Apple CarPlay, actually they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once you get paired, you will switch to the background by Wi-Fi. Okay, so basically you just need to first of all to bring out your cell phone right here, and then go to Bluetooth. Okay, and then connect to the Bluetooth menu. Okay, search the Bluetooth device name, 0000 password. Okay. Once you got pair, as you can see, there's an icon over there. It will show connect successfully. Okay, and then once you connect, then you can just go to CarPlay. And grant the authorization on the cell phone. use CarPlay. For the first time, it might take a while to pair, but once you get paired, every time when you get into the car, it will be automatically turn on the Wi-Fi for you, turn on the Apple CarPlay for you. This is wireless Apple CarPlay, okay, as you can see. It's very nice, alright. And how to use the Apple CarPlay, basically, this one also comes with the different application. You can also read the message, you know, you can listen to the music, you can also turn on the map, okay. You also support the voice control. How to use the voice control? You just need to hold the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station.
One option is Esso on Kennedy Road. Is that the one you're looking for?
Or you can also go here. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 5 degrees Celsius, and the low will be -3 degrees Celsius.
Very good. Okay, and then click on car, and then we'll go back to the main menu. I'm gonna show you a little bit more about the setting. Go to setting right here, car setting, base setting. Don't turn on this brake feature. If you turn on this one, you won't be able to have the video in motion feature. This one must be off, okay? And then you can also select your own navigation application, okay? If you prefer the Google Map, you can also use the Google Map, all right? I'm gonna show you how to use the offline Google Map, all right? It's very straightforward. Just click on here. Go to map. Just keep that in mind. Wireless Apple CarPlay cannot be used together at the same time with the Wi-Fi hotspot, because wireless Apple CarPlay, they actually use Wi-Fi channel to transfer the data, okay? And also another thing is this system also supports the original camera, okay? So this car comes with the original camera. As you can see, it's very nice, right? This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.